So we are studying about the reproduction of plants through seeds. Okay, how plants reproduce through seeds. So we have seen the process of pollination. Okay, through pollination, how the pollen grains get transferred to the stigma, right, and then form seeds. Okay, and then we have studied the germination of seeds. Now let us see how seeds are dispersed. What is seed dispersal? Okay, seed dispersal means seeds are scattered from the mother plant, from the parent plant. Okay, seeds are carried away through various sources, you can say. Okay, so let us see how seeds get scattered from the mother plant, from the parent plant. First one is by wind. So the seeds which are light in weight, which are hairy, they are carried away through wind, by wind. So when there is wind blowing, the seeds which are light in weight, which are hairy, they get carried away from the parent plant. So seeds of cotton, dandelion, drumstick are some examples which are light in weight, which are hairy, which are winged, and these get carried away by the wind. The next is by water. So by water also seeds get carried away, okay, or they get dispersed. The seeds which grow, the plants which grow in or near water bodies, their seeds get dispersed by water, especially the seeds which are hollow. Why hollow? So that they are light in weight and they are easy to float on water. Okay, so the seeds which are hollow, they float on water and get dispersed. So the trees which are growing near or which grow near or in the water bodies, usually they have seeds, hollow seeds, which allow them to float on water, and such seeds are, such plants are water lily, coconut, etc. The next, by animals. By animals also seeds get dispersed. Now we all know human beings and animals, they eat fruits, right? So when we eat fruits, what we do? We throw the seeds. So these seeds are taken away, okay, or are dispersed. Also seeds come out of their digestive system through excreta. Human beings and animals excrete, and through excretion seeds come out of their digestive system. Then plants like asbidog and sea holly, these are type of plants which have hook like structure on them, and this hook like structure, being hook like structure, this gets attached to the skin of animals, and animals carry the seeds. Okay, see, we'll see here. Can you see in the diagram the dispersal by wind, how through wind the seeds are dispersed? Dispersal by water, can you see, floating on the water seeds. Then dispersal by animals, look there how the seeds are dispersed, okay, through animals and through humans.